Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Famous Forex Academy, and I'm back again with this amazing strategy, back again to do what I know how to do best, which is showing you guys how to make money on Forex with my powerful and reliable scalping strategy. So today I'm back with this amazing one. It's very reliable and so profitable. I would like you guys to really sit down and watch this video, use it on your own chart, make some money, come back, drop some sweet comments, and let me know how this strategy helped your life. So guys, if you're new to this channel, I'll please advise you to subscribe to the channel, like my videos, share them with your friends, leave some sweet comments after using my strategy and it worked out pretty well for you. Come back here, leave some sweet comments, and let's know how the strategy went when you use them. And don't forget to turn on notification to always get new videos whenever I post them online. So today I'll be showing you guys how you can actually scalp the market, okay, and pick solid 10 candlesticks and close the trade. But first, before we do this, I would like to share the indicators we'll be using for this strategy. This strategy needs only two indicators. You don't need so much indicators, just two indicators that will help you milk the market. The first indicator we'll be having here is the moving average. Second one is the Bollinger Bands. Okay, let me take them all out and show you how it stored them. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is clicking on your F symbol you see on your screen, then you click on the main chart, you add your moving average, and the period here is 10, shift is 0, method is linear weight, applied to weight will close, and start is 4 pixel. I'm using a blue color. You can use any color of your choice, but make sure it's a color that is more visible on your screen so you can actually differentiate them from your chart. Okay, after that you click on done, and the second indicator we'll be adding here will be the Bollinger Bands. And on the Bollinger Bands, the period is 5, deviation is 0.500, shift is 0, apply the previous indicators data. Style is 4 pixel, and I'm using gold color. You can use any color of your choice, like I said, but make sure it's visible for you to see them on your chart. After that, you click on done. And when all this is done, you go back to your chart, and this is how your chart will actually look like. Okay, we can see our conditions are in place, so we can actually place our trade. Okay, you buy, open your positions, and you buy, open your positions, and you buy. Okay, so now after you might have finished inserting these indicators, let me explain to you how this strategy works and when you can actually buy or sell. So when you are done inserting your indicators like we did, okay, the next thing you want to do is knowing your zoom level. So knowing your zoom level is you have to actually zoom in your chart completely like this, and after zooming in your chart completely, you zoom out 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you zoom out 1, 2, and 3. So we are going to be using the third zoom level. Okay, after doing that, the next thing you want to do is knowing your trend, because in Forex, I've always been saying this in all my videos, like in Forex, you don't just come into the chart and you start trading, maybe start selling or start buying. You have to always look out for the trend. That's what we call price action. Okay, you have to watch out if the price is actually in your favor, if the trend is actually in your favor, because if you're actually going to buy the market and the trend is on downtrend and you're buying, you're actually at risk, because you're actually going to lose money, especially when you're trading boom and crash. Because if the trend is against you and you are trading, that means you are going to be having series of spike. For example, this is crash, and you open the trend and you see that the trend is a downtrend, and you are trying to buy. You will lose money, because that trend being on a downtrend means that there are series of spike happening. That's why the market is on a downtrend. So you trying to buy at that period, you're in more danger in losing money. So you always have to look out for the trend and make sure that the trend is in your favor. And how do you look out for this trend to know that if they're actually on your favor? That is when you have to move to your 1 minute your 1 hour time frame, a higher time frame like this. And when you get to a higher time frame like this, what do you watch out for? As you can see, you see that the market is on uptrend. Okay, how is the market is on up how is the market an uptrend market? This is how you know that the market is an uptrend market. First of all, from our indicator, you can see that the indicator is actually crawling up, which tells you that this market is actually on uptrend at the moment. And after that, you don't just watch out for the indicators alone, you also watch out for the candlesticks and make sure that the candlesticks are above our moving average, like it's above our indicator. As you can see, my candlesticks are above my indicator, and the indicator lines are actually pointing up. That tells you that the market is actually on uptrend. And after that is being clarified, all you do is you move back to your 1 minute time frame and look for your entry. So after going back to your 1 minute time frame to look for your entry, when is the right time for you to buy this market? Okay, the best time for you to buy this market, it's when you see your blue indicator here. Okay, the moment you see your blue indicator here crossing these three indicators you're seeing here, the golden indicators you're seeing here, once you see this blue indicator crossing these three indicators to the upside, like I always say, it always have to cross to the upside. The moment you see it crossing to the downside like this, don't trade. It's not advisable. You can only trade when you see the blue indicator crossing the other indicator, this go one to the upside. The moment you see this blue line crossing like this, it's actually time for you to open your positions and start buying. Okay, when you buy, you pick 10 candlesticks and you close the trade. Don't stay longer in the market. But if you're actually going to stay longer in the market, please make sure that the moment you find this candlestick approaching where we had a previous spike here, like we are seeing this spike now, this tells you that this is a resistance zone. If you backtest, you can see that we had another spike at that same position. Okay, you see that we had a spike at that same position too. That means the market actually got to this position and there was a spike. Another market got to this position and there was a spike. So this tells you that this very position you are seeing here, it's a resistance zone. Okay, it's a very strong zone which we might likely have another spike if the market gets to this position again. So in order for you to avoid such risks and lose all the money you've made already because of a single spike, you just have to close your trade before it gets to this resistance zone. So to be on a more safer side, you just have to pick 10. That's why I said pick 10 candles. Don't be too greedy. Pick 10 candlesticks, close your trade with your profit. Wait for the condition to be in, because these things can happen even if you're actually on your trade the whole day. Maybe you don't really have any other thing to do. You're on a trade on the whole you're on your trade the whole day. You can actually see these things happening more than 20 times in a day. So that means you can actually initiate these trades more than 20 times. So if you follow the indicators, the settings, and you apply all of them properly, and you see that the conditions are in place, and you open your trade and start buying, pick 10 candlesticks, close the trade. You can do that 20 times if you happen 20 times, and imagine how much you will make in a day. So don't just trade blindly. Okay, you always have to look out for the trend. Make sure that the trend is in your favor. Okay, when once the trend is in your favor, you watch out for the indicators and make sure that the conditions are in place. And how is the condition in place? That is when you see the blue indicator here crossing the gold indicator to the upside. And when once that happen, you open your trade, you take 10 candlesticks and you close the trade. Okay, if we want to backtest this trade now, you can see that it has been happening like that. As you can see here, we've had the blue indicator crossing the gold one to the upside. As you can see, we had a very long trade here, but we wouldn't want to risk all this. All we just need is 10 candlesticks. We close the trade with profit. Okay, and you can see it has been happening like that. the blue indicator crossing the golden one to the upside. As you can see, we had a very long trade here, but I wouldn't advise you to take that long. Just pick 10 candlesticks and you close the trade. If you still look back, it has been happening like that over and over again, and that is what is still happening here. We are still having a trade here, and this is our 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 candlesticks is coming out. So we are waiting for the two candles remaining so we can actually close the trade with profit. So guys, this strategy, it's a bomb. Okay, it's very reliable and profitable. I always share the best strategies online. I don't share strategies that don't work. That's why if you check on my previous videos, you will see people commenting and always thanking me for always giving them one of the best strategies to change their life and double their account. So don't be scared. Use this strategy on your trades, make some money, come back, drop some sweet comments, and let's know how this strategy worked out for you. So guys, like I said, please, if you are here on this channel for the first time, I'll advise you to subscribe to the channel, share the video, like the video, turn on your notification to always get new videos whenever I post them online. Okay guys, thanks for doing that, and that's the only help you can do for me right now, because I've been here posting videos for you guys every single week for you guys to actually use it and make money for yourself. So the best you can do for me is subscribing to my channel, like my video, share my videos, and also leave some sweet comments, guys. So we can see that trade is still moving, and we just need a one more candlestick to close this trade. I don't like using back testing strategies like most people do. I always like using my strategy live, so you can actually see that it's not scam, that I'm not scamming you, and I'm not just lying just to make a video. I always do my video live for you to see how I do them and how it turned out perfectly well, so you can actually use them on your own trades too. As you can see, guys, it's working, and we are on our 10 candlestick, which is going to end very soon, and we will close the trade with profit. Then after doing that, we can actually wait for the condition to be in place again, and we still open another position and we make money. And that is how we make money the whole day. We can trade this over and over again in a day if you have the time. You can do this 20 times, 30 times in a day if you have the time, and I promise you, you're actually going to make money. Okay guys, this strategy is a bomb, is one of the kind. Like you all know me, I don't share fake strategies. I always share the best strategies you can ever find online. So guys, this is how the strategy works, and please, like I always say, don't do mistake, because the moment you do a mistake, you will think this strategy does not work. Meanwhile, it is working perfectly fine. So always make sure you follow the trend. Make sure the trend is in your favor. If you're actually scalping crash, make sure that the trend is uptrend. If you're scalping boom, make sure the trend is downtrend, because you're actually scalping against the spike. So you have to be sure that the spikes are not happening at that time, because if the spike is actually happening and you go into the trade and you trade against the spike, most spikes will come, get you out of the market, probably blow your account. So it's always advisable to follow the trend. Make sure that the trend is in your favor before you trade the strategy. Okay guys, so thanks guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video, like the video, leave some sweet comments, and don't forget to turn on your notification to always get new video whenever I post them. And also, if you actually want to learn more about forex, maybe you're a newbie, or maybe you've been trading but you don't actually have the real knowledge of trading, and you need someone to coach you and mold into becoming a professional trader, just check on the description page. You will see a link to my WhatsApp number. You can talk to me directly so I can actually help you out in making money in forex. Okay, we have a mentorship program, we have account management program where we manage your account and give you daily profit, and also we have a VIP signal group where we drop 45 signals every day, profitable signals, and our VIP are always smiling to the bank every single day. And also on the description page, there's a link to my free Telegram group where we drop chart analysis, we analyze the market, and also tell you how the market might actually do in the day. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. See you some other time. Bye. Okay.